Sudah ini. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming here today. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kanisita Disa Arjana, and I'm gonna moderating this presentation. I will introduce my team too. We are Haidar, Khairunisa, and Ratna Andini. What is our topic today? Today's topic is library study. The topic of our presentation are: what is a library? What is librarian? What will we learn in this study program? So my team will be presenting the next slide.
Hello. So, what is a library? In general, the definition of library was originally a collection of books. But after experiencing development, the notion of a library is a building, a room for storing books and other publications that are stored in a certain arrangement, used by readers and not for sale. Libraries also have an important function in the community, namely the function of education, information, culture, entertainment, deposit, and research. Currently, libraries are also available in digital form, so we can access various information quickly and easily.
What is librarian? Librarian is a term for people who have competence from librarian education or training. They are tasked with help users and are responsible for managing the library collection. The role of the librarian is very important, so we should not underestimate it. Without librarian, the library will be organized and the user will be in trouble. Being a librarian also benefit for us because of what we can get knowledge every day with the amount of information available in the library. Then we will not be left behind. Is not that interesting?
And the next, what will we learn in this study program? We will learn a lot of expertise in information technology, management, and education to college, organize and storage data. We will also learn to manage information in printed and unprinted form as known as digital, such as archive and records.
Okay, thank you for the informative and interesting talk. Finally, we come to the end part of our presentation. Thank you again for the presenter for the informative talk and audience for the active participation. We hope that the presentation will be beneficial for everybody. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.